We're at the Eagleville project right now. We're getting ready to start. This is a big kitchen remodel that we're going to be doing. Right now we're taking down the siding, starting the demo work, because what we're going to do is expand the back wall out to the same as this here, so we get more space in the kitchen area. Yeah. Now that the demo guys are done, they've exposed the area that we have to get ready for our pier footings. Right now the guys are hand digging two 24-inch by 4-foot deep holes for our sonotubes so that we can set the steel and pour the concrete for these piers. Right over here. The purpose of the laser is because what I have to do is determine finished floor height of what's already existing. So by using this laser, once it beeps at the right spot, it's going to tell us where the finished floor height will be after I calculate for all the lumber that has to go into place. That way, once these are set to the proper height, everything falls in place for finishing it. So we just passed inspections and we're here pouring the concrete for our pier footings.